Okay, so this is going to be a video to show you how to use the Google Read and Write extension, which is super important to know how to use right now, especially during online learning. So first you click on the little purple puzzle piece that should be somewhere up near your search bar. When you click on it, it'll either open right away or it might ask you to log in with Google and then to click allow. So you can just log in with Google and then click the blue allow button. And then when you do that, this toolbar comes up. So I know we've kind of used this before. Um, One of the first things we can do is use the dictionary. So if you highlight a word and click on the dictionary tool, a little box pops up and it will tell you the definition of the word. The picture dictionary is this next one, this little picture icon. And again, you have to have your word highlighted. If you click on that, it'll give you a little picture that it thinks represents the word that you highlighted. So, and I can do that for a bunch of different words. Okay, so it's showing that a historian is kind of studying the past. Next is the read aloud feature. So if I put my cursor where I want it to start reading, and then I click the play button, and then when I wanted it to stop, I just press the stop button. Next is there's a web search option. So if you highlight a word and then you click the web search button, it'll bring you right to a Google search. The screen mask tool is for if you have trouble focusing and you want to just kind of look at one part of your screen at a time. The screen mask tool kind of highlights where you want to look at based on where your cursor is, where your mouse is. Now, the next one is super important, the talk and type feature. So I am going to click where I would like it to type. And then I'm going to click on the little set of headphones, which is talk and type. So it's going to record what I'm saying and put it into text. To stop recording, I just clicked that microphone, and then it kind of sits over here, and you can start doing it again whenever you click on it. So I could say, I could click on it. In social studies, we are studying ancient history. Okay, so there's that. So if you're a person who struggles with writing and maybe you want to get things done a little bit faster, then you can use the talk and type tool. We don't really need any the translator or anything. Um, then one last thing, which I have never actually used before, but I thought it was very cool, is this button with the little play button in the middle. If you scroll over it, it's called voice note. Now, so we all know how to make a comment on a Google Doc, but this one makes a comment as a voice note. So I'm going to highlight where I want to make the comment. And let's say I just don't really understand the directions. So I highlighted the direction that I don't understand, And then I can click on this button, the voice note button, and then the microphone will record you. So I'm going to click it. I don't understand this direction. And then I press the stop button. You can press play to hear yourself again, or you can just hit the insert key button. And it takes a second. And now you can see that this pops up over here like a little play button, and I can actually, anybody who's in your Google Doc can listen to what your voice note is. Okay, so if you're confused and you need to ask a question, but maybe your teacher is still talking, you can put, or maybe you're not in class with that teacher, but you have a question, you can do the voice note thing in a document. I might also use this to clarify or read the directions to you. So keep a lookout for any of these little play buttons on the side. And then I could just click resolve to make it go away. So those are some of my favorite features on Google Read and Write. There's a couple other ones that I don't really think we're going to use. Most important, the play button reads aloud to you. The headphones are the talk and type so that it types whatever I'm saying. The voice note button lets you leave a little voice note for whoever is looking in your document. And then we have obviously the dictionary and the picture dictionary. So definitely try to use those if you feel like they can make your online learning experience a little bit better.